I'm so excited for
Oh,
this.
my freebies! Oh my gosh, thank you House of MDS for the freebies. We got Jimin.
Oh my god!
How did they know? How did they know? Look, it's so nice. How did they know? How? Hey guys, it's Maree. Welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm with my sisters again because we have another unboxing video. We're so excited because our MOTS concept photo book just arrived. We ordered this from House of MDS on Instagram. I will put their link here or down below, but we're gonna open our MOTS concept photo book special set. We got this for 3,520 and we ordered this May, I think. May. Basta when it came out, we ordered it. So
Yeah,
we
May.
actually have the first press, so we're so excited. Thank you so much to House of MDS for being able to get this for us. But today we will be unboxing first the poster set because
Oh my god.
they're so big. And first we're gonna open the.
We've seen so many unboxing
Yeah,
videos
and-
on the TikTok. And
I know it's really big, like the posters.
Wow!
Naku, dakong ginawa niya!
Dude, it's
You
so...
can't
put this in the wall.
We don't know where to put it actually in the room. It's
up there.
It's so big, bro! What the heck? Like, 1 meter siya! It's like a meter.
It's like a table.
Dude, it's so... Dako, bigyan!
I am gonna put this on top of my bed.
Bro, it's so... Oh my gosh, I'm so happy we got the first prize.
Yeah.
As in, ganyan, like,
So
super
posters
worth
are
it.
super worth it.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh my god!
I want this on top of my bed.
You want everything on top of Dude, I told you, we're gonna put it maybe on top of her bed. Kaya wala na yung kami niya space. Wait, all the reactions are like,
Jimmy!
Wait,
Oh my gosh.
Now, dude, kay Tay,
This is like, ano,
Patindori,
yeah.
Open, gitsura nito. Oh my god, dami-dami! Now, we're going to be unboxing the concept photo book and we're so excited.
Slowly!
Thank you so much to
whatever.
House of MDS for the
Secure.
safe and the secure delivery. Nagdam na, ganyan ba wrap kanina? Okay, so we open it. There's no yet.
Wait lang.
Okay,
Let's ano,
so
we're manifesting.
manifesting. Jin.
I want Hobie or Namjoon.
Oh,
Actually,
we don't have
we
any.
want, we don't really care who we're
Yeah.
gonna call, so.
We want OT7 or anybody actually. But I want Yoongi
Of course,
and
our
Jungkook.
bias line,
Yeah.
Jimin and Jungkook, yours. Yoongi and Jungkook, Jin and Tae.
Taejin.
Taejin ko.
Hobie
But we
and
actually want Namjoon
and Yoongi.
Tusok. Namjoon
Hobie.
and Hobie.
Hobie,
Yeah,
sorry.
sorry. Tusok.
What's that?
Ritual.
Ritual. Thank you so much for the freebies, by the way. House of
It's so
MDs.
pretty. Ang freebies, it's high quality.
Wait, I think. Oh my god, is it there? It's the.
How are
ano,
we-
this
how
one
is
first.
that?
This one first. This one first.
Root version.
Root version first. Oh wait. Ano man? Wait. Okay, first my poster na lang. Open the poster first. Okay.
Folded.
Ito ganda nervous ko. I'm like shaking. It's a folded poster. Oh, it's very big too. I can't see. I can't see. Hala, it's
So nice.
Okay.
Ano ito po? Din na lang tsura mo. Ang na.
You're sure?
Yeah.
Yeah! Wait, di ako nagkaroon! Show it! Oh! Wait, I didn't see it. Okay, we're gonna show it on the camera first. Oh my god!
Wow!
She got
We're
Jen!
shaking!
She got
I'm so
Jen!
happy. I'm gonna cry.
We'll
Jin
open-
magnet! We're gonna open it one by one.
Wait, I think I have the other
my
PC
God.
now. I have the other PC now. I have the other PC. 1, 2, 3, go.
Our room is very small.
Sorry, dugin ako ko. Sorry.
Namjoon, Hobie, Namjoon, Jin! JK! Gusto mo JK? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God! We are literally bias magnets! As in! I'm gonna get you!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Wait,
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh my
We
gosh!
are biased.
Pakita mo masyuga ang likod!
Yeah, nakita ko naman.
Bro! Yung magnet! Third time!
Jin. Okay, first time.
Yeah, first time we got Jen. Wala
First
kita
time.
na Jungkook.
New one.
Album.
We got the new one.
Wait, I'm shaking so much. Oh my God, I love you, Yoongi!
Wait po tayo.
So, now we're gonna open up what's inside. So, we have two books.
This one is there.
This one's the clue version, and this one is the root version. And then there's this photo card thingy.
wow.
Dude, yung gimagnati ko I
Yeah,
swear.
In.
So, we have these nga do see-through photo cards like that.
Oh, wow. I didn't know it,
Basta
yeah.
here, this one's Daddy Namjoon's inside the sa root version.
The math.
And then this one is from the clue version. Here it's red.
There.
Where? Oh yeah, you can put a white background. Oh my God, Ruby!
Actually,
Oh my God, kay Tay, gid
actually, super gwapo. Gidya si Tay sa mo nga photo shoot niya.
Yeah. And then may mo pag hindi like a picture frame thing.
It's like
na.
moving.
Yeah. Like,
So, two versions again.
oh my gosh,
I don't know if
these
you can
photos
see
nga square. Dito ni butang man, it looks so good.
We'll frame that na lang.
Yeah. Yung gi.
We're gonna get an individual frame for all of this. Where are we gonna put
Nami,
it?
siya bila sa wall nga daw gagmay blah. Jimin!
Gwapo ka na.
Nami kay Tay. Mikyan!
Marami kay Tay as it's
Oh, ooh, this is pretty. So open first the root version. Okay. Wow! Si Tay na.
Di ba everybody gimana natin? Or isa lang natin?
No, isa lang na da!
Tinahalaman ko.
Namjoon! Next is the clue version. Namjoon! Daddy Namjoon! Marry me!
여기 marry me. 터키 육군 방탄을
So, mayabot si yung try.
Wow! Oh, ako na siya!
Yeah! Oh! Si Jin! Amuni siya.
Oh, this one.
Nami kay Hobie. Oh my God, oh my
God.
God. Hobie, what the heck?
Wow!
Pogi mo dad na.
Oh! See?
Like that, sorry.
The face is super nice.
As in kay Tay.
Okay, take it yung favorite kasi yung photoshoot yan.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Yes!
Yeah, it's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
oh my gosh, oh my
Hobie
gosh.
didn't get the memo again.
Yeah, Hobie didn't get the memo. Look at him.
He has a lot of pictures
I
of
really
himself.
love this one.
Really nice.
Oh, Zako, Zay.
Me and
Oh, Jimin.
filter.
I
Oh my
really
God.
love Jimin's makeup sa photoshoot na niya.
Favorite
Like,
ko
it's
nga.
really, really nice.
Song ni Jimin is
Filter.
filter. Gidi. Oh, grabe.
Grabe, zoomed in.
His lips. Not blurry. Oh my God. Dang, Jungkook.
Oh! Oh, this is really nice.
But like,
Facing my inner shadow.
we have no.
Oh, we also have this postcard photo thing. It's so pretty. But yeah,
That's it.
that's it. It was mostly for our reaction on the theses we pulled because we pulled Taejin and Yoongi.
Grabe, na-trick
Tae.
Jin. Like, duha.
She got
her bias.
Yeah, bias line.
Her bias line.
Yeah, she got Taejin.
That's the one.
Oh, tisana pa kami kiyapon! So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to film more BTS content because this is the BTS channel now. I'm not posting any of my normal videos, but thank you so much for watching. Bye!